I am the police, and I'm here to arrest you.
End of watch.
13x13.
13x13, Roger. Shows and wrap.
Wouldn't it be crazy if our kids would push into black and white together one day?
Screw that. I want my kid to have an honest job. Like a politician. End of Watch is a cop movie that you've never seen before.
We've seen what Hollywood thinks they do at work. This movie is the reality of it.
It's a different kind of experience that you normally don't get.
This exposes what cops really go through down in the ghettos of Los Angeles.
Take pride in what you do, you guys.
Yes, sir.
If you run, I will chase you.
I got him. Try to run.
Pit him, man. Pit him. Boom! Officers Brian Taylor and Mike Zavala, they work in one of the toughest divisions in the LAPD. 13x13, we're code 6. The neighborhoods you're working are incredibly dangerous. We see more action in one deployment period than most officers see in their entire career. Good! You good, partner?
Your partner is everything. You live and breathe to keep that person alive.
What? They're two guys who would give their lives for each other.
Follow me into the house, dude.
Policía!
Oh my God.
They follow something really too far, and they run into these houses that are controlled by the Mexican cartel.
You just tugged on the tail of a snake. It's gonna turn around and bite you back.
You think I know we were rolling up on?
Word is, we got a hit on y'all, man. Y'all been greened it.
We're cops. Everybody wants to kill us.
The level of authenticity in this film will show how much these guys put themselves in danger day in and day out.
David Ayers just raised the stakes to the highest level they could be raised. If you shoot at me, I will shoot back. I am fate with a badge and a gun.
End of Watch.